Okay, here we are. It's February 13th, and I'm trading. I've sped this video up 4 times the speed so you don't have to sit and watch for too long. But anyways, I'm just going to explain a little bit of what I'm doing. I'm trading gold futures. I just got long here at that blue line, 49.59, and I've got 2 contracts right now. It says 10 at the top. The position size is 10, but I have 5 accounts, so 2 contracts per account. If you see in the bottom left-hand side, that shows my 5 accounts. The top 2 are funded accounts, and the bottom 2 are evaluation accounts. So I've got it set to trade the first one. That's the one I'm taking payouts on. I can get paid daily from that. And the bottom 4 are just copying. So if I hit buy, I'm buying 5, which is I'm really just buying 1 for each account. So I'm long here, waiting for a pop back up. The chart on the right is the 30-minute chart. The chart on the left is a 15-second chart. So I look at the 30-minute chart to really see the direction of the way gold is moving. And the 15-second chart I use to determine when really is the best time to get in and out, where I'm going to see the support and resistance, and try to make the best decision. One problem I often have that I just had here is I got in too early and I got out too early. So it made a little drop down, and I was expecting it to pop up more and faster than it did. And it took too long. There's the nice pop. I could have been up $200 on that really easily if I had just waited another 2 minutes. So anyways, longs are looking really good. If you look at the 30-minute chart, it just, that candle that we're in just turned bullish. So it's pushing up, and I expect it's going to keep pushing up. If it starts to really run, it's going to go and go and go. So all these little dips, I want to get in long and watch them. I want to buy and watch them, try to take 2, 4, 5 points on the way up. So again, got in too early. Best to wait for night. It's been pulling back nicely. So got these nice pullbacks. I've got 2 contracts per account right now. Again, long. There's 3. I just bought a 3rd one. Really, I want to see it pull back and flatten out and then start its way back up. That really is the best time to be buying. So maybe right here would have been a good spot to buy instead of where I did. But anyways, that's why I record these videos, so I can go back and watch and see how I could have done it better. So right there, I'm at break even. It's pushing up. It's hitting some resistance here at that spot. Drops back down again. I just bought a fourth contract. So up there, I'm dragging my sell orders. Those red buttons there. Those are sell orders I'm bringing down, moving around. So if it pops up and hits those lines, it's going to sell. And again, I just need to have patience for it. Pushes up, hits resistance, drops back down again. So you can see at the current price, it shows the dollar amount that I'm either positive or negative. And that's per account. So, obviously times 5 is what I'm actually trading for. So on the top part of that screen, you can see down $475, $500. It goes up and down pretty fast when you've got 4 contracts per account. Probably a little too risky at this point. It's best only to add multiple contracts when you're already in the money, not when you're negative like this. So that's something I need to work on, is not averaging down. Like here would probably be a good point to maybe start buying. But it dropped down a lot more than I expected it to. This 30-minute candle flipped and started bullish again. So I thought, hey, it's a good time to buy more. But then it flipped red again. But just time to wait it out, because we've already got 2 big wicks down. I think it's trying to make its way back up. It's just hitting some resistance around this 49.68 level. 49.70 is resistance, so it's having a hard time push up through there. Once it does push up through 49.70, I would expect to see a nice bullish move pushing up a lot more, pushing up towards 49.80 and then 49.90 back up to 5,000. So that's what we're looking at for the day. There I just moved my sell orders, all of them, all four down to 68, 49.68. And let's see if we can get it. I'll move one back up. I manage my trades a lot. I move the buy and sell orders around a lot, just based on the price action that I see. Like here I'm getting a little bit worried because it really is dropping down a lot. It's not popping up as much as I think it should. Now it's having a hard time getting back above 65. So it's like, okay, well, there's a big push. And I'm going to get out one there. Still got 3 contracts per account. And that was a nice push up. So it's like, that's really good. But then it pulls back a lot. Still a little bit worried here. What's it going to do? It's fighting. If you look at the right side, that this candle that we're on keeps fighting. Red to green or yellow to blue. It's right on the line. So it's like it's not sure which way it wants to go. Now it's pushing up again. So it's like, all right, we're going to keep pushing up. Is it going to break above the previous candle? What's going to happen here? I think it's going to be bullish. I think it's going to see a nice big move up. And there we go. Boom. Nice push. Nice push. Up 122 per account. So that's what, $600 or so total. And we're a little over halfway through the day. My goal is $250 on the day. That's for my funded accounts. If I can get $250, that's when I started the day. That's where I wanted to get. So now I'm long again. Just got out for a nice little scalp there. I've got buy orders way down below where I think it might come back down to. Hoping it comes back down to. If it does, I'll get in again. They're in a minute 75. Afraid that it's going to just keep pushing faster than I can get in because it's really, really pushing up now. I'm going to get them. So there's a few points. There's a couple points on that one. Oh, big push down. Time to buy again. All right, so I've got just 1 contract per account because I'm only trading 2 accounts right now. The evals I've passed. They just hit the 26,500 mark, meaning that I passed those evals, so I'm not trading those anymore. I'm only trading the top 2, which are the funded accounts that I can get payouts on. So I'm long 2 contracts per account. Oh, now 1 contract. Okay, I'm all out. And about 216. If I can get up to 250, I'm going to be done for the day. So I'd like to see another pullback to go long. So if we can come back down into this 75 area, it'd be a great time to buy. Watch it run back up to 280 again. And it's just pushing up. It just keeps wanting to push up. Little pullback. And I'm going to get one in manually. Okay, there's one. I'm in 1 contract. One nice pullback. There's 2. There's 3. Okay, I'm in 3 contracts. And what I should do here is put my sell order at about 49.80. Oh, that's too tight. Don't do that. That's only 1 point. I think I was worried it was going to keep going down further. I should have put my seller. There you go. Boom. See, if I would have put it at 80, I would have gotten made easily $100 there. Now I'm only $10 away, $8 away from the limit. So just one little last trade for the day, and I'm done. As soon as I hit 250, then I can take a $500 payout. There it is. So that's all. That's how I trade. Took about an hour to do that. And it was a good one. That was a pretty easy day. So thanks for watching.